on, guys? It's Trader Dean here. Right now, I'm trading the S&P 500 in the Asia session. I seen that we had this huge dump down, and then the buyers suddenly bought this back up. But then, as we look up here, notice that price isn't really closing above the highs up here, right? So, already seen it 1, 2, 3 times it couldn't reach the daily open. So my thing is, I'm just gonna let the trade rock and see if it can even break this level right here. We also have these big fair value gaps here, and also on the hourly, we also have bigger fair value gaps down here. Let me see how much I'm going to take this trade for. Yeah, the thing is, when you're trading the overnight session, it always takes so long for your trades to just hit profit, you know. So I'm going to see what the volume profile is saying about this move up here. Yeah, as expected, you know, we have this high volume up here. Came to the, well, right now it's at the point of control. It also came to the value area high. Also, my take profit, I put it down here just in case, but I'm going to see how the price reacts to these levels. If I notice that the price is not moving down, that means that the sellers are being absorbed by the buyers. So I'm just going to take my time and see what exactly is the market trying to tell me. All right, so we got this strong level here where we have some whales that bought in right here. So for me, if it breaks this level, we're going to see price lower. So I'm probably going to most likely realistically take my trades once this low right here gets sweat. Either we have buyers stepping in as expected. So my thing is now, I want to see if these buyers could sweep this high right here. Because if it does sweep this high, there's a very high possibility that it could stop me out break even. Telling you, good skill in trading is literally knowing when to take profit. If you don't know when to take profit, then you shouldn't be trading. Like you have to have a strategy and a plan with every trade that you take. So if as I'm taking this trade and I'm seeing if I see XYZ, I'm gonna exit the trade. You know what I'm saying? If I see XYZ, I don't have to overdo it. There's no rush in trading. You know what I'm saying? Even if you make small profit, you still made profit. Even if you don't trade, not trading is trading. That's what people don't realize. Sometimes you just don't have to trade and you're actually doing the work. I do believe we could reach that 76.12 level, at least at 76.14 level. Because we keep seeing these buyers get absorbed by the sellers at these highs right here. I mean, how much more proof do you want? I mean, like every time price comes here, we notice that there's high amounts of buy volume at these levels. However, the price is still going down. That is letting me know that the buyers are basically being absorbed by the sellers. So knowing this gives me more confidence to stay in the trades longer. Like if I have enough context, if I see X, Y, and Z, like I said, then I have more confidence to stay in the trade just a little longer. Because that's how you really make money in trading, by staying in the trades just a little longer. Like we see the buyers stepping in, but they don't really have any power in this market. If I see this low get swept right here, then that would also give me more confidence that the trade would at least hit the 76.18 level or the VWAP. Yeah, trading is boring, like a lot of people don't want to accept it. Like the reason why most of y'all overtrade is because you think trading is boring, and it is. You just can't deal with it. Some people could deal with boredom better than others. Like when I'm bored, I sit back, I relax, I believe in my strategy. I don't have to worry about anything else. I just have to focus on what I'm doing, and that's all I do. Like I'm not out here stressing my trades and trying to get in every opportunity that I can, because you're just messing up your whole trading career. Like all this over trading, it's just going to end up ruining your career. Like you're never going to have a payout with over trading. And trust me, I know, because I've filled so many accounts, and over trading just doesn't bring anything. Like it's always back to square one, and you start to realize it's just it's you, you know. You don't even need a highly profitable strategy to make money trading. You just have to have discipline, and you have to have proper risk management. You have to know how much you want to risk. So if this candle closes bullish, if this candle right here closes bullish, I don't know if I'm going to stay into this trade. It depends how bullish it closes. Like if I see there's a high negative delta, then I might just I might just exit out the trade. Yeah, if I see this candle close bullish, and I think I'm just going to take my profit. I'm going to take my profit right here. Nice. Saw that candle close bullish, and there was a negative delta on it, so we might be able to see a move higher. But let's see how it's going to hold to this level right here. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in.